You know what I mean? You know, a straight challenge, you know, in Hmths Alumni of South Florida present their third annual fish fry. That is the 14th of April 2012. Starting time early, you know, 6 p.m. sitting, you know, until 2 a.m. So forward early and get a big snapper and kingfish and all these things. And you don't know enough father than a birthday weekend, see me to come out and celebrate the thing. You don't know enough 55th lane, you know, Tarmac, you know, Florida, 33319, you know what I mean? Don't know more information, 954-549-7309. Come out and give us feedback, man. You don't know enough, come to sitting, you know, a long time sitting, you know, 10 line, you know. Fuck it out, man, and come and support the thing, you know what I mean? And I'm sure
Wind up my body, me a wind up my body. Wind up my body, me a wind up my body. Wind up my body, me a wind up my body. Back it up, down, wind up my body, me a wind up my body. Wind up my body, me a wind up my body. Wind up my body, me a wind up my body. Back it up, down, wind up my body.
Oh, it's Charlie to the BLACK. No stupidness, hey, my girl. Let's communicate. Hey, are you alone? Hey, me want see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more girl.